Hello everyone, welcome back to My Channel Learn Now from your learning partner. In this video, we'll learn how to read an Excel file using the Pandas library in Python. First, let's understand why we need to read an Excel file in Pandas. Pandas is a popular data analysis library in Python, and it provides various functions to work with different types of data sources, such as CSV files, Excel files, databases, and so on. Reading data from Excel files is one of the most common tasks in data analysis, and Pandas makes it easy to do so. To read an Excel file in Pandas, we need to install the Pandas library and xlrd module, which allows Pandas to read Excel files. Once we have installed these dependencies, we can use the read CSV function provided by Pandas to read an Excel file. Let's take an example to understand how to read an Excel file in Pandas. Suppose we have an Excel file named employees.csv, which contains a list of employees and their details, such as name, age, salary, and department. To read this file in Pandas, we can use the following code. Import Pandas as pdfinian-a. Specify the file path, -rd, Python, employees.csv. Read the CSV file df, inverse pd.read_csv file path. Display the first few rows of the data frame print df. This code will read the Excel file employees.csv and store the data in a Pandas data frame object called df. We can then use various Pandas functions to analyze and manipulate this data. For example, we can use the head function to display the first few rows of data. Display the first 5 rows of data print, def head. This will display the first 5 rows of data from the employees.csv file. Reading Excel files in Pandas is a simple and straightforward process that can be done using the read CSV function provided by Pandas. With this function, we can easily read and manipulate data from Excel files to perform various data analysis tasks. And there you have it. You now know how to read an Excel file in Pandas. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for our next one, where we'll show you how to sort data in Python using Pandas.